Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel CTET 2026 English language. Questions are: number 1, the excessive use of mother tongue is helpful in learning English, a challenge to learning English, a substitute of learning English, none of these. So student, if you use more mother tongue or excessive use of mother tongue become a challenge to learning English. So B is the correct answer of this question. Second, which process of listening involves getting the main idea, predicting, drawing inferences, and summarizing? So bottom up listening process, listening for information, top down listening process, information listening. So here we are taking main idea, predicting, drawing inference, and summarizing. So this is a top down listening process. Top down listening process. C is the correct answer. Reena learns Marathi very well from her neighborhood and her friend in school. What do you describe the learning of Marathi? Language acquisition, scaffolding, language learning, input hypothesis. So a language which is obtained by neighbors or by one is called language acquisition. Therefore, A is the correct answer. This is language acquisition. National Education Policy 2020 recommends the study of classical language as a language within the three language formula, as a compulsory language, as additional option, as a second language. So student, this question saying that National Education Policy 2020 recommends the study of classical language as an additional option. So C is the correct answer. Language is a system of structures, communication system, a rule governed system, a scientific system. So answer of this question is C, a rule governed system. This answer is given by CTET or CBSC. So C is the correct answer. Language is a rule governed system. We can use, we can write also answer of this communication system. Language is a communication system by which we transfer our idea, thoughts, etc. But the correct answer is a rule governed system. Question number 6 is: knowledge about the form describing and applied to it in limited practice is known as teacher's grammar, declarative knowledge, language form, procedure language knowledge. So this is declarative knowledge is the correct answer of this question. Knowledge about the form describing and apply to it in limited practice is known as the declarative knowledge. Here are teacher's grammar. What is teacher grammar? Refer to the knowledge, method, and practices of a teacher used to explain and facilitate the understanding of language, structure, grammar for students. Deductive method, rule to example. In deductive method, we follow the path. First, we learn about rule and then give example. In inductive method, we give example first and follow the rule secondly. Declarative knowledge, knowing what is a factual information, concept, and data that you can consciously recall and state. Language form, it refers to the structural, grammatical, and conventional rules of language encompassing how words are worded, morphology, arranged, syntax, and pattern phonology to create meaning distinct from the meaning of meaning itself. Procedure knowledge is known how to do something involving skill, steps, and procedures. Question number 7 is: when teacher provide text slightly above their language level. When teacher provides text slightly above their language level, what is this known as? Comprehensible input, incomprehensible input, reading comprehension, learning hypothesis. And this is called when we provide I plus 1. This is a comprehensible input. Krishnan's comprehensive hypothesis. For five hypotheses for second language acquisition, there are five hypotheses of second language acquisition. These are Amenia, Krishna's Amenia. A means acquired learn hypothesis. M means monitor hypothesis. N means natural order hypothesis. I means input hypothesis. A means affective filter hypothesis. So these are five second language learning hypothesis. Question number 8 is Lev Vygotsky's concept of learning and language was based on constructivist learning theory. Okay, behaviorist learning theory, conjunctive load learning theory, humanistic learning theory. So answer is constructive learning theory. According to Vygotsky's concept of learning are based on his socio-culture theory, emphasizing that learning is a social process. Learning is a social process driven by the interaction with others like teachers, peers within a specific culture context. Language and thought. Language is not just for communication, it is a crucial conjunctive total tool. It is a crucial conjunctive tool for thinking, problem solving, and self regulation. Inner speech. ZPD. This is also a concept of Vygotsky. ZPD, zone of promaxial development, the gap between what a learner can do, the gap between what a learner can do alone and what they can achieve with the help, making instructions in most effective here. Okay, scaffolding. What is scaffolding? The temporary support, hints, prompts, modeling provided by MKO. Man, knowledge, more knowledge, other to help a learner cross the ZPD. Okay, so scaffolding is the temporary support provided by MKO to help a learner to cross the ZPD, zone of proximal development. Vygotsky believed that children construct knowledge through social engagement. It is repeated again. Vygotsky believed that children construct knowledge through social engagement. सामाजिक अन्योन क्रिया, social engagement, सामाजिक अन्योन क्रिया. Children get knowledge by contacting with other peoples or in society. Question number 9. Learner can reach level of achievement which they would be unable to reach independently with support from others. This assumption in language learning is known as input hypothesis, output hypothesis, interaction hypothesis, scaffolding hypothesis. So this is a learned earlier. Scaffolding hypothesis. The correct answer of this question: learner can reach level of achievement which they would be unable to reach independently. So when learner is unable to get the acquired knowledge without the help of others. So this is scaffolding hypothesis. What does interaction hypothesis means in language learning? Learners need to interact with based on the inputs in order to learn a second foreign language. What is the term comprehensible input in language learning? Providing language input to the children. Providing language input to the children which is one level above the learner's language. Okay, comprehensible hypothesis means providing language input to the children which is one level more or one level above the learner's language. All children learn the mother tongue without any serious attempt to learn it. This is based on natural language faculty, language acquisition. Natural language faculty. This is also called language faculty, language acquisition. Language learning requires serious effort. Language learning requires serious effort, while language acquisition do not require any serious effort. It can be uh, attained by the LED language acquisition device given by Lab Biogaski. So, student, these are few points for your CTET exam from English language. I hope these are useful for you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.